Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing this palette right here, Viseart. I don't know much about this brand. In fact, I never heard of it before, and then I looked it up, and I had to look it up because it's an $80 palette. You see that? $80. But I got it off of Ipsy, and on Ipsy it was $30. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these. And if you are new to my channel, my first impression reviews basically consist of me putting as many of these eyeshadows on my eyes as possible and then telling you what I think. Alright, so those are the colors swatched. They swatched really nicely, so I don't really have any opinions about that, but we're going to go ahead and get into a look. Alright, first one I'm going to use is this one right here. I'm going to cover my eyelid with that one. So now I am going to go in with probably this purple here. This is a purple pink, but I'm going to start with this color right here. Okay, so now I am going to go in with this color right here. Alright, so now I'm going in with this one right here. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with this gold color. Yeah, I'm going to go in with this gold color, and then I'm going to go in with... I'm somehow going to work with those three colors on my eyelids, the bottom part of my eyelids now. Okay, I'm going to try to darken it a little bit with these two colors right here. This kind of looks like a blue-green, so I may or may not go in with that one, but I'm for sure going in with this one right now. Okay, so I think I am going to use that one right here, and that's just going to be to darken the corners up just a little bit. So now we're going to attempt to do the bottom. You know, I didn't use this one, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit that in anywhere at this point. But I am going to use these three in the bottom. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to fit that one shade. So I did use 11 out of 12, so put that aside for now and go into some eyeliner. I am going to use Autonomy right here, the black one for the bottom one, and I think I am going to use this one for the top. Okay, liner is done, and I am going to use mascara now, and I've got two of these Bad Gal Bang mascaras by Benefit. The bottom lashes is going to be this blue one to go and emphasize the blue that I put underneath, and the top one is going to be the regular black one. eyes are done, I'm going to put some lip color on. I think I'm going to go with Private Society and Gossip. And then I'm probably going to use a topper, and that's going to be Beauty Bakery Lip Whips. Okay, so I don't really like that color with it, so I'm going to change the color to Salty. I think I'm going to like that better. And I like that even less, so yeah, I'm not really feeling these colors today. I'm just going to go with the nude. I'm going to go with Comrade by Hank and Henry. That's what I'm going with. Okay, anyways, I'm just going to stick with that for today anyway. Okay, so let's get into the palette real quick. Do I think it's $80 worth of eyeshadow? I don't know. I mean, it swatched beautifully, it blended beautifully, there's no fallout, there's no kickback, there's none of that. So in that regard, it is worth $80. It's nice, it's beautiful. I have nothing else to say about it. But as far as $80, I don't know. Like, if you're not a professional makeup artist, you don't need to buy this. You can buy plenty of other things. But if you want the top of the line, this is a really nice eyeshadow palette. I normally don't come back and do follow-ups after doing a first impression video, but I'm totally doing it on this one. So the reason why is it's been like, I don't know, maybe 8-9 hours in a day kind of thing. And look, I have like very little to no creasing, which is huge because I have hooded eyes. As you see, when I open my eyes, most of the shadow goes back into my eyeballs, which usually makes it wear off really bad and crease really bad, and no creases. So super excited. And if you didn't know, most of the time when I record those first impression videos, I'm going straight to work. So whatever crazy look I'm wearing at work. But that is that. But I was thinking about this too, because I have another palette that has similar shades that I recently reviewed, and that would be this one right here, the Laura Mercier palette. And that is that color Story. And then that one. They're very, very similar, but they are very different. They do wear, it's weird because like this is an $80 palette and this is only like $20 cheaper, and it's still a high-end palette, but there's still a huge quality difference. See, if you look at that one, see if you can see it. See the different, I don't know if it picks up on camera, but this one here is kind of like a smoother texture. Do you see that? Can you see it on camera? I don't know. And this one looks grainier, and it doesn't apply grainy. I never thought it was grainy until I held it up to this one, and I'm like, huh, that's interesting. But they're both excellent palettes. It doesn't matter which one you go with. They both wear very beautifully, but I do have to say, if you don't have the money to go purchase an $80 palette, just look for a good deal. There's usually good deals. This, like I said, I do absolutely love this, but if you're not someone who wears makeup every day, you're not a makeup artist, you're probably not going to use your eyeshadow a lot, then you probably don't want this palette because it is $80. Yes, I'm stressing that because to me, I still cannot believe that this little palette is $80. It has a little thing on here that says it's good for 24 months, which means it should last you at least 2 years, which is good if you're going to spend that much on a palette. I did not spend $80 on this. I spent about $30 off of Ipsy for their little shopper deal. So that's why I got it. But anyways, I just had to follow up with you guys and show you that like it does wear very nicely. It doesn't crease or whatever. And there are dupes for it, but there is a quality difference. And I don't understand, like, I don't know. I'm still blown away by so many things here. So anyway. If you like this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video.